Hold on. I know. Before you even ask, yes, I have some option plays for you. How many? 3. Stay tuned. I got it.
1,000, 2,000 trees. I'll make guacamole from investing in my brother.
Bueno.
And my brother. Lonzo LaMelo, I get it with my brother. Okay.
What is good, YouTube? It is your motherfucking boy, The Session. I'm so happy to see you today on this magnificent day. What is that? Yeah, it's the same day. I just changed my shirt. Hope you're having a swell one. But if you didn't notice, you see I got the noodles out, the hair is out, the curls are out. That means I mean business. If you haven't, make sure you check out last video we did. Check out the last My Portfolio video to get an overall summary of what I have in my portfolio, what stocks I've consolidated, how my public portfolio looks, how my Robinhood portfolio looks. Today, I have some options for you. Now, how many do I have for you? 3 plays, okay? So I want y'all to understand, yes, I'm giving. I love to give and I love to help. But please remember, I don't owe anybody shit, okay? You don't owe anybody shit, so please just appreciate the plays we're giving, because sometimes I might come to you with one play. Sometimes I might come to you with 6, 7. You know, last week was a lot of plays. So just don't always get accustomed to it. And when I give you something or somebody else gives you a play, look it up and research it, okay? But these option plays are going to be fairly affordable. I used different resources and Tiblio to check it out. Tiblio, we did a video on them before. Great company that's going to help you find option plays if you are in a time crunch, all right? So with that being said, let's get to the phone. Okay, so when I tell y'all going to love these option plays, I'm telling you, because anything to do with oil, natural resources, and anything like that right now with what president we have and the way that the world is going, we need natural resources and natural ways to further better the earth, okay? And with that being said, we have ticker symbol USO. This is the United States Oil Fund, okay? As you see right now, it is up on the day 2.5%. This is Friday, and yes, the application I'm using is a Thieves Robberyhood. And as you see on the week, they are up almost 4%. On the month, almost 12%. So whenever I hear natural resources, whenever I hear oil fund and these things, it gives me ding, 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 ding. It's just telling me $, because this is what we should invest in. This is the future. 1, is great for the world. You know, we're all about that over here. 2, it's going to benefit us because it's good for the world and we live on the world. 3, it's going to make us money. This is the direction that the world is going in. So the United States Oil Fund. So if we were going to place the option on here, I'm going to walk you through it. If we're going to place the option, all we would do is hit this trade button. You hit trade options, okay? And we are going to select the expiration date of February the 19th. I'm placing a call. So you go here. You could even, it all depends on what entry you want to get in. From what I'm looking at, the company is going to continue to go up. And being as though the expiration date is in 4 days, or I guess if we're watching this on Tuesday, about 3.5 days, we want to select the more sure answer for me. So for me, I'm going to do a $40 call, more than likely. A $40 call, one contract is $61. So that's very affordable. $60 this is for people, if you only do option trading, you have good buying power. But some of you have just gotten out of some options or whatever, and you're looking for ways to build your money even more. Here you go. Here's an opportunity right here. USO, you see it. One contract is $61. How I'm doing things is from here on out, when I get options, I'm going to get at least at minimum one to two, actually minimum 2 contracts, because I want to continue to grow that wealth. And I'm willing to take the opportunity. So remember, enter this at your own risk. USO, as simple as plain United States Oil Fund. It says it all for itself. You see it has good growth. That's just something I'm interested in. Yeah, so on to the next. Okay. At numero dos, we have UNG, the United States Gas Fund. So I got a shout out to Mitch Picks. Shout out to you for finding these plays. Because these are so it's hilarious how common they are when I read the name, the United States Natural Gas Fund, but it's fire because I never even thought to look in this direction. I was, outside when it comes to EV, I have, things that are in China, but this is cool to have something that comes from the country. So yeah, As you see on the day, we're up almost 3%. As you see, even during last week, still up almost 2%. And on the month, almost 7%. Okay? Now, with this company, when we're going to get an option, we go to trade, we go to options. Okay? I'm showing you again. When we go here, we want to pick the one that's most sure. So for me, it all depends on what your budget is. As you see, I see the call right here. For me, I'm looking at this $10.50 call. Okay? This is only going to cost me probably what? $36. Okay? $36. So the strike price would be what? 34 cent, 36 cent. Okay? So I'm going to get a couple contracts of this. The more contracts equals the more money you could potentially gain or the more money you could lose. Either way, we're not doing this with rent money, okay? We're out here doing this with money we can afford to spend, and this is gambling. You feel me? So this is money you can afford to gamble with. So UNG, very affordable, even cheaper than its counterpart. So this is one I'm really interested in. I will be getting positioned in this. This is very appealing to me. And comment below if you're going to be getting some plays in this or you're interested in this, because this to me, money, dollar signs. All right, on to number 3. That numero trace. We have this one, found by Tiblio. Yes, Tiblio. Shout out to y'all for having an amazing platform. Very simple, straightforward. We did a video on this already. Again, they help you find option plays. So if you're struggling and you don't know, well, where do I even look for the option plays? And you haven't watched my video on what tools I use to find them, or maybe time doesn't permit you. Maybe you're busy, you're on the go, you're a parent, you're this and that. Look at Tiblio. You click right on the computer, long calls, every 5 minutes it refreshes with some new picks for you. You go in to your app of choice, check it out, see what they got going on. Boom. So as you see right here on the day, they are up 3%, almost 3.5%. Actually, they are up 3.5%. On the week, up 14, and on the month, up another 10%. So this is a beautiful play. Sometimes they have a bit pricier plays because they're longer calls. But for this one, for the sake of what I'm doing, we're going to place a call on this. And as you see, if I want to do a $5 call, it's going to be about $78, about $80, okay? So you would have an 80-cent strike price. This is a call at $5 for the expiration of February 19th, okay? So there's a short time to flip it, but being as though we've done research, we've seen the numbers in which it's trending, you can look up articles on your own. I have my articles pulled up. Then you can say, this is something I want to get into. I'm willing to spend $80 per contract. So just educate yourself. What I'm doing is giving you the opportunity. So maybe you might be busy this week and you like, what are they getting into? How does his portfolio keep increasing? I'm showing you what I'm getting into. All right. I hope you have enjoyed what I've showed you today. I knew you're going to like these option plays. I'm going to do another video showing, my portfolio, what I have going on, and what plays I actually did get into. But for the time being, I know y'all gonna love these. And I gotta give a quick shout out to the Discord. Y'all showing nothing but love. We are almost at 2,500 users, family members, team members. I love it. It's amazing. As you remember, my goal is by the end of March was to have 5,000. So let's continue to make that happen. If you haven't seen the $250 giveaway, we have the giveaway. It is here. It is upon us. Simple. If you want to know the rules and how to enter and all that stuff, all you have to do is check out the Discord. It says it plain as day, giveaways. And you have to enter the Discord. Yes, you have to pay the $5. But once you've paid the $5 and you've entered the Discord, you will be a member now. Now you are a member of the family, and so it's not just, only a raffling. You're also getting a chance to expand your brain because we have new enhancements, new members, new energy. I love you all. That's pretty much all I got. It's a lot of talking. I love you. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. UD.